There are a lot of do's and don'ts that come along with staying safe if a tornado ever comes our way, but what's true and what's not?
KCBD News Channel 11 Sarah Blake Morgan continues our team coverage live from downtown Lubbock with more on that. Sarah Blake.
Well, Karen and Abner, experts say it's not a matter of if a tornado will hit the hub city, but when. So we spent the day fact-checking everything we've been told to do if disaster strikes, and what we found may surprise you. The first myth we set to debunk involves something that every home has. You may have heard that opening a window during a storm will help equalize pressure and will keep your home safer. That tip couldn't be more untrue.
In reality, we want people to stay away from windows because as the storm approaches, you're going to have those windows likely shattering.
Myth number 2, the southeast corner of the basement is the safest corner to be in while riding out the storm. While being underground is ideal, it really doesn't make a difference which corner you're in.
Make sure you're in the basement. The location of the basement doesn't really make any difference. The idea is to be in the basement and cover up.
Myth number 3, the best place to ride out a tornado is under an overpass when you're on the road. Although it seems like a bridge over your head would protect you, it really could put you right in harm's way.
Winds may actually increase as they're funneled in and through the bridge. There'll be a lot of debris from the tornado as it approaches, so you're really a sitting target. Park your car and get away from the car and get in a low-lying area.
Our fourth myth says that tornadoes can never cross hills, roads, streams, or lakes. That's yet another one we've proven untrue. A tornado once crossed over the mighty Mississippi River, so this would be a piece of cake.
Tornadoes will go with the track of the storm. They will go in the mountains, they will go in the valleys, they'll go across water.
People think tornadoes avoid cities. That's our final myth that we checked out. The 1970 tornado devastated Lubbock, and clearly Granbury and Cleburne were no exception to that devastation last night. Karen and Abner.
Great advice. Thank you, Sarah Blake.